Welcome back guys. And in Samsung mobile, if you are losing your mobile, then for tracing your mobile, finding your mobile, the mobile signals should be on. So if your mobile is locked, suppose your mobile is locked and swiping it down, someone is able to turn off mobile data. Then in that case, here you can see that if mobile is locked, then if anybody want to turn off mobile data, it cannot be done. It is asking for pattern, or someone is asking to turn off Wi-Fi data, it is asking for pattern. So in that case, if I am losing my mobile, I can trace my mobile by find my mobile app. So if you want to do so, what you need to do, just unlock it, go to the settings and then go to the lock screen here, and here go to the secure lock setting, enter the pattern, and now here lock network and security. This will prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your mobile is locked. Find My Mobile user uses these connections to locate and control your phone when it's lost. So if it is off, just turn it on. After that, if it is on, I will show you. Suppose it is off, go to the lock screen, secure lock, enter the pattern and turn it off. Now what will happen if you are just locking it and swiping it out? Now you can turn it off, turn it on. But suppose you are just turning it on. Now lock your mobile, and now you will not able to turn off. It will ask for pattern. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel and share it with your family and friend. That's all. Thank you very much.